Welcome back to the channel. What's today? What are these bags? What could this video be about? Hold on. Mystery hair flip. So today is going to be a Dollar Street. I can no longer speak. That's okay. I haven't been able to talk with my bronchitis or allergies or whatever for the last 2.5 weeks. So I'm excited to be able to speak again, even if I'm a little hoarse. Sorry for that. I'm going to do my Dollar Tree store haul. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this because it isn't just like random things that I bought. I bought some craft projects that then are going to turn into other awesome videos for you that I think are going to be really fun. So let's get started on the craft ones, and then I'll show you some of my other items that I got. So how much was this, you ask, Rose? It was $1. Hey, look, it color coordinates with me. That's how much I care about you. I color coordinate my outfits. No, I don't. So this is a little wreath ring, and I am going to make an awesome, I live right near the beach, yay! And I'm going to make a driftwood in branch little wreath that's going to go on our front door for the summer. And I'm going to spray paint it with, not colors, but with a clear spray that is going to help it be a little more waterproof, and it's going to help it look a little bit more moist and succulent, since it's going to be just sticks, basically, driftwood, right? That's going to be so much fun. I'm super excited about this. Let me know what you think. Alright, I also got a paintbrush. I thought this was, for $1, a pretty nice paintbrush. I have a couple little painting projects I need to do. My brother is coming, and he is going to help me do some painting projects, so I'm excited about that. I also got 2 of these essential little boxes. They're the ones that go in the those little cube bookcases. I've shown you. I have one in my son's room, and I have one that's a little bit bigger and nicer downstairs also, that holds my little TV and lamp and everything. So I have 2 of these, and I am going to paint them with chalkboard paint, and that is going to let my son just draw on them if he wants. We can mark what's inside them, and we're going to test that out on these 2 cheap dollar store ones, because I have some other ones that are a little more expensive. And so I thought I would test that out because I haven't tried the chalkboard paint before, but I'm excited to give it a try. I've tried the roll-on contact paper chalkboard paper, and that's been awesome. That is on the side of one of our cabinets still. I think that's in my kitchen remodel video that I did. I still need to show you my cabinets that I've painted. I haven't shown you that. But I'm really excited to try that out. I think my son's going to really like it. Alright. Now you might think, what is this weird glass? Don't you want to know? Okay. So this, my lovely little biscuits of YouTube. My biscuits. That took forever. Sorry, I'm back. So I am going to make a cake stand. Now this looks like a beautiful granny glass, and I am a granny chic kind of lady. Although now in my older age, I appreciate more modern Scandinavian designs. I don't like granny chic. When I was a teenager, loved that style. So we have a $1 glass plate and a $1 glass. And what we're going to do is we're going to glue these together with a nice waterproof clear drying glue, and then I'm going to spray paint these, and it's going to be just a wonderful textured, great kind of little modern take on kind of the farmhouse beach cottage style cake stand, and I think that is going to be so much fun. I'm so looking forward to doing that project because I love making unique things, and for $2 a cake stand plus, you know, whatever spray paint color you have laying around, it's going to be awesome. So as soon as it dries out a little bit, I am going to show you how to do that. It's just been raining or really damp and oozy all month long, so it hasn't given me a lot of time to spray paint anything. But it's coming, the good weather. Alrighty, so What could this be? Is it a plate, a golden plate that'll burst through? Oh, my coughs. So this is a lightweight, like plasticky kind of thing. And this is a really lightweight glass, but it's a cheese ball glass. It is. However, what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to make a little dessert cake stand. So this is going to be less for cake, although it could be, and more for like when I have a lot of cupcakes that I want to spiral on. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to glue it. And this is going to be a hand wash item. Obviously, neither of these items that I'm going to DIY are going to be something you put in the dishwasher. I'm going to glue them. I'm going to paint them in the same color. And I think it's going to make a great little desserty stand because my son really wants to get into doing little dessert stands and cupcakes, and he's into this and he loves baking. And I was looking at cake stands thinking, boy, these all just cost so much. And I would love to try and see that for $4 I could get 2 cake stands, cupcake stands that are going to look great and kind of are going to look exactly like I want. And I couldn't find anything I really liked that I thought was a good deal. So we're going to try that out. Mixed up on my phone. Dollar Tree house. Alrighty. This, you're thinking, what is this? Is it a globe? What could it be? Hold on. UFO. So this is a vase, and it's actually a perfectly cute vase, clear. I think that's perfectly adorable. But I have seen some like West Elm and some Pottery Barn ones, and some other, I was on some random Scandinavian interior design site, and I was like, oh, I want one of these. And I'm going to do this as a white paint, high gloss. We're going to see how that turns out. Because I'm practicing different gloss sprays because I want to learn about them. And then this is going to be a beautiful, great, modern vase. And just snazz it up a little bit. And for $1, that is hard to beat for a vase, I gotta say. Alright, some other one is, oh yeah, another one of those. Okay, one of the things I think, and I keep talking about this, but the drop cloths, the plastic clear drop cloths from the dollar store are such a good deal. It's so much material. I reuse it multiple times, and anywhere else it's at least $3 for the roll. And this saves me so much money because I do so many projects around the house. And I'm constantly working on things that I so recommend just bulking up on a couple of them. If you know you're going to do projects, get them at the dollar store. I got clear 100 count, one size fits all clear gloves because when I spray paint or paint, I like to wear gloves so that I'm not getting paint on my hands. I find that really important because I don't want to like have to scrape paint off. That is no fun at all. I also got some super glue gel, and I've used this before. You can use this on all sorts of things. I'm going to use it on some of the ones that I need to glue together. And I also just have some glue projects. So for $1, I am. So let me know if you love these haul videos. I like watching haul videos. I think they're fun, and I happen to have bought all this gear, and I thought, oh, now is a good time to do a haul video. Oh yeah, and kind of give you a little sneak peek of all the fun projects that I have coming up on this channel. I don't do as much DIY videos in the wintertime because of where I live. It is just very far north. It rains, it's very cold, and a lot of my DIY projects involve paint or involves an adhesive that needs to dry, and it's too damp and it's too cold because you know, I need to be able to like open doors and things if I'm painting inside, or I need to be able to paint outside and let it dry. And if it's 38 and raining, it's not going to dry. And I made that mistake when I first moved here from a warm climate of not realizing, like, why isn't this paint drying? And it wasn't raining on the paint. It was just really cold and it wouldn't dry. So now that the weather is getting nice, I plan to do tons of fun DIY projects to go along with like my Saturday video that I release, you know, that's kind of my, oh, maybe it's my story time video or it's a little tips video. I thought a little DIY. It's not going to be every Saturday video, but I'm going to throw a couple in there for fun. I love those kind of videos. So until next time, feel free to check me out on Patreon. Awesome exclusive content. Oh yeah. We're doing a really fun month. I like Patreon this month. Check me out on Instagram and follow along. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and say, subscribe to Rosa's channel. Oh yeah. So until next time, hey, thank you all so much for giving this video a thumbs up and commenting. I love reading your comments. Always nice to get feedback. So until next time, I'll see you around.